Hindi ka ba makapili kung saan ka kakain? Eto na, one place na lang to. Lahat na nandito. Welcome to Food Club Buffet, your ultimate buffet experience. Meron na din dito sa South, dito sa Festival Mall. Ang hinahanap ko talaga ngayon is Chinese cuisines. Kaya naman talagang trinay ko halos lahat ng Chinese foods nila dito. At talagang nagustuhan ko lahat. Imagine this, hindi mo na kailangang mamili kasi lahat nandito na. From Filipino dishes na parang lutong bahay lang talaga to Japanese, Chinese favorites, Western cuisines including the pasta and pizza stations. And of course, hindi mawawala ang mga desserts, cakes, pastries, fruits, perfect pang reward after kumain. At ma'am, sobrang convenient niya kasi kahit picky eater ang inyong toddler, may makakain talaga, walang iyakan, promise. Perfect siya for family bonding, barkada catch-up, or even date night kasi sure na may magugustuhan ang bawat isa. They also have VIP room that can accommodate 120 packs to 180 packs. For VIP 2 naman, they can accommodate 100 to 160 packs. And they also have lunch area, good for 30 to 38 packs. And wait, mas sulit ngayon dahil marami silang promos. May discounts for kids, student discounts, birthday celebrants, graduate students, senior and PWDs. May group deals din sila. Gusto mo ng sulit na kainan? This is your sign. Tara na sa Food Club Buffet dito sa Festival Mall, Alabang. Located sila sa second floor East Wing.